Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Click on the search icon and in the search bar type settings. Click here to open it. On this window, scroll down and select power. Now expand this and you can change it to never from the screen and slips section. Now close this window. Again go to search bar and type here choose a power plan. Then click here to open it. Now click on change plan settings and select never from turn off the display and click here on the power options, expand PCI Express, then go to settings and select off, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, save the changes and close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.